Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, ACCUPLACER Review, Arithmetic, Problem 4. This is the Arithmetic ACCUPLACER Review, Problem 4, and it says 62.5 plus 42 plus 17.045 is what? And you have these four choices. Well, a good test-taking strategy is to eliminate some of the possible things that it cannot be. So right away, ignore the decimals a little bit. Let's just say 62 and 42 I can see as 104. 100 is not big enough, because even before I add the 17, I'm over 100. So 100 is not going to do it. 12,191 is way too big. That's also out of the question. So very quickly, I'm down to C or D. So it's nice to eliminate some. If you're forced into a guessing situation, better to guess between 2 than between 4 for sure. So to really narrow it down, you just have to go through it and add it up. So 62.5. What you have to remember for this is you need to line up the decimals. The 42 doesn't have a decimal, not one written, but it's assumed to be at the end, 42 point nothing, or 42.0 if you want, and then the 17.045. Now, when I add decimals, it's nice to have everything line up and look good. When you're really used to it, you can just say, bring the 5 down, the 4 down, 5 plus 0, bring that down. But if you're not used to it, after the decimal, I can throw in these zeros just to line it up and make it look even. And now it becomes a little bit more manageable. So now when you add up this column, 0 plus 5 is 5. Then the next one, 0 plus 4 is 4. Then the next one, 5 plus 0 is 5. The decimal, again, they've got to line up. Then 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 7 more is 11. Now again, you can't just put 11 there. You put the 1 from the right digit of the 11, carry the next one, it comes up here. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 and 4 is 11. 11 and 1 more is 12. So I get as an answer 121.545, and look, I have an exact match for it. So it is D. The answer to this one is D.